Listen, we have to discuss something very important. We're on the cusp of the first snow-apocalypse 2025. Some people didn't believe that we'd even make it to 2025. Now, probably going to die in the first weekend. However, if you're out and about shopping at the store, there's a few things you're going to need. First and foremost, you're going to need some Clover Valley hot dog buns. They don't look like much, but there's enough preservatives in this bag that's going to outlast everybody. The next thing is some Buffalo Wings Ranch Lay's Stacks potato chips. If you don't have this, are you really surviving? Are you even a man? And if you're offended, are you even a woman? Who gives a shit? The next thing on the list is, and will always be, the first thing you should pick up, and the last thing that you want to run out of is cold Coors Light. Without this, there is no hope for survival. So, if you could attend to those few things, you could at least make it a whole 12 hours. All I can say is, good luck out there. Stay frosty, my friends.